there has been a constant rise of anti-India sentiment all over the globe. बड़ी बड़े देशों में भी हो रहा है और जगहों पे भी हो रहा है. There is a lot of racism.
एंड जितनी स्टेटमेंट्स इनकी विद अ ग्रेन ऑफ सॉल्ट लेनी पड़ती हैं, he seems to be a salesman for Tata Namak.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Patriot Pair podcast, where we present our views on the raging issues, from geopolitics to culture and everything in between. So let's get into today's topic. Ladies and gentlemen, World War III is upon us. Or so everyone's telling us.
News articles for some time now have been saying, is World War III here? World War III is going to happen? And other such similar headlines.
It's a lot of World War III being thrown around.
I mean, बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं दुनिया में.
सारे देशों में कुछ ना कुछ चहल पहल है. There is some activity in multiple nations.
I think हर कॉन्टिनेंट पे कुछ ना कुछ.
हर critical nation में कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है.
हाँ.
And non-critical में, as you will soon see.
अभी recently डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने बोला कि US is going to start nuclear testing again.
And just after that, 60 minutes का interview का clip आया where he has said some very spicy stuff कि all the major countries, North Korea, Russia, China, also even Pakistan apparently is doing nuclear testing. So why should US not do it? That was his whole claim.
Now ये डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का क्लेम था. Here's the clip.
Russia's testing and China's testing, but they don't talk about it. You know, we're a open society. We're different. We talk about, no, we're going to test because they test and others test. And certainly North Korea's been testing. Pakistan's been testing.
Not nuclear weapons, is my understanding. North Korea has, but not nuclear
But they
weapons.
don't go and tell you about it. You don't necessarily know where they're testing. They test way underground where people don't know exactly what's happening with the test. You feel a little bit of a vibration.
इसमें he specifically countered कि nuclear testing and not just nuclear capable या nuclear payload missiles की testing नहीं. All these nations are apparently doing actual nuclear testing.
Now, as much as it is the president of the United States, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अपनी credibility थोड़ी सी तो खो दी है.
At least in the past few months, he has said some very
Not true stuff.
that should be taken with a grain of salt. घर के बड़ों का जैसे after a certain age, reality से touch छूटने लगता है and sometimes they say stuff that might not be absolutely accurate.
Now, I don't want to call him Biden, पर
He's not a Biden, definitely.
हाँ, but
He's not last year's Trump.
कभी इंडियन प्लेन्स के बारे में, कभी इंडिया पाकिस्तान पीस ट्रीटी के बारे
In
में.
general, like अभी in this interview itself, he made the claim he has stopped 8 wars. I am not aware of 8 wars.
I think पिछले इंटरव्यू में it was 7 wars. Digressing from that, उसके अलावा भी there have been some conflicts going on around the world. अब for example, रशिया एंड यूक्रेन का has been going on for some time now. And हमारे प्रिय डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जी ने उससे थोड़े से हाथ खड़े कर दिए हैं.
अभी recent एक statement आया है which again we're gonna take with a grain of salt, but where he is saying कि अब US and बाकी सबको भी encourage करा है कि do not engage or participate in this जो भी यूक्रेन एंड रशिया के बीच में चल रहा है. एंड सम वॉर्स आर नॉट सपोज टू बी स्टॉप्ड बाय इंटरवेंशन. कुछ ऐसी जंगें होती हैं जिनमें बीच में घुस के आप उन्हें रोक नहीं सकते हो. कभी कभी उनको आपस में एसेंशियली भिड़ के खत्म कर लेना, जो भी द वे दे वांट टू रिजॉल्व बाय देमसेल्फ.
आपस में
हाँ, उन्हें अपना रेजोल्यूशन करने दो, बीच में इंटरवीन करके नहीं होगा.
एंड जितनी स्टेटमेंट्स इनकी विद अ ग्रेन ऑफ सॉल्ट लेनी पड़ती हैं, he seems to be a salesman for Tata Namak. एंड ये सब देखते हुए दुनिया की हर एक मेजर मिलिट्री एंड कुछ नॉट सो मेजर मिलिट्रीज अपनी पावर प्रोजेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं एंड
trying to take their stand essentially on a global stage. For example, one of the, I'm not even gonna call them a player in this situation. Venezuela recently dropped some GigaChat looking Call of Duty-esque military video, and here's the clip.
Se prende el parampam, dime cuántos son y dime dónde están, porque no cruzan el río si está nadando el caimán. Este es parte del mundo underground, calle forever, la velocidad de coche por el valle y por la Vero.
बीच में ताइवान had also done the same.
Couple days back, South China Sea के obviously very disputed area में there was a 4-nation military exercise carried out by the Philippines, US, Australia and New Zealand, and उस चीज को लेके भी चाइना obviously नाखुश था.
काफी गुस्सा है, पर आई मीन व्हाट आर दे गोना डू अबाउट इट?
Yeah.
बहुत टाइम से कहते आ रहे हैं हमारा है हमारा है हमारा है, तो वर्ल्ड काइंड ऑफ शोड नहीं है.
तो यहाँ साउथ चाइना सी में ये चल रहा है. वेनेजुएला हु इज नॉट इवन वन ऑफ द पार्टीज हु कंसिडर इन दिस होल सिचुएशन, वो अपना
नहीं, दे वांट टू बी अ पार्टी.
No, that's what I'm saying. But they're trying to project themselves as a strong, serious nation now. Every major and minor nation essentially is going forward with their thing. Everyone is doing their own military exercises.
Some African nations are also dropping a few military videos, training videos. I mean, we don't know how serious all of these nations are, but try सब कर रहे हैं.
Exactly. To their own capabilities and capacities, everyone is trying to A, put out this position of strength, and B, maybe also actually trying to figure out their own military capabilities and doing actual military exercises. इस पूरे situation में the main nation we care about obviously is India. What are we doing? And is India prepared for this World War III?
So claimed. Surprise, surprise. India is also doing the tri-service exercise under Operation Trishul. And I mean, if we were to go by videos, we're kind of winning here.
Where the land meets the sea and the sky echoes with the roar of strength. A new chapter of India's power begins at the dawn of the Mega Tri-Services Exercise 2025. On every inch of our soil stands the courage that guards a billion dreams.
Generally, when we have military ops, they are localized to a certain border area. Currently, however, it is on all 4 fronts. Hamara northern, eastern and both coastal regions are currently in NOTAM.
In layman language, it just means that air units are on notice that, well, their services might be required.
Again, this is one of the largest, most coordinated exercises that we have seen in the recent years.
And if it's about projecting power, I don't think any nation is winning here. At least in our hemisphere.
The main goal of this whole exercise essentially was कि whenever there is an attack, कोई भी attack होता है वो किसी भी direction से हो सकता है. अब तक क्या है, सब countries ने ये assume करा है, if there is an attack from the Pakistan side, तो दूसरी side हमारी बिल्कुल खाली पड़ जाएगी. Yeah, that's not the case. And that should be a good warning to all the nations who are trying to be hostile towards India. We are covered on all fronts, be it coastal or be it the land borders.
And this exercise, at the time of recording at least, is still ongoing. It shows our capability, to say the least. There have been a few other developments. LVM-3 rocket से GSAT-7R satellite launch करी गई है, which is one of the heaviest satellites ever launched by India.
What you might be wondering is, फायदा क्या है? What does it stand for? हमारा इसमें
Heavy होने से क्या फायदा है? In layman's language, again, ये एक communication satellite है जो हमारी Navy को not new but reinforced capabilities देता है. With this, our submarines, planes, and other assets will always be connected to our headquarters. And orders can be given and information can be shared to and fro between all our assets at the same time without relying on anybody else. तो हम किसी के भी और network पे rely करे बगैर अपनी assets से headquarters से communicate कर सकते हैं.
essentially एक sort of privatized network develop कर दिया गया है between all the Navy assets. A, that boosts our security. Secondly, it also helps with keeping an eye on our international waters. वहाँ पे कोई भी stray boat होगी for example, तो we will have a good external eye.
Eye in the sky.
Yeah, quite literally.
And individual tracking capabilities public नहीं करी गई हैं कितने small target को it can track, पर well it can track. ये satellite is also a step in the direction of a larger network जिस पे इंडिया काफी टाइम से काम कर रहा है.
Which would basically integrate all the 3 branches of our military in a very secure and holistic way. A, we do not have to rely on any external formats, and B, जो communication relay की speed होगी and efficiency होगी can increase in both audio and video format, aside from information sharing, which is the most essential and critical bit when you are in an actual military, I don't know, like a situation.
Now, just to make sure, अभी at least it doesn't seem like there's any World War III or any sort of that conflict going on. ऐसा कुछ आसार तो नहीं लग रहे हैं. Every country wants to make sure they're safe, and कुछ conflicts जो हैं,
At least in the near future, we do not see it happening.
and at least from India's perspective, we are very secure and there's nothing happening.
फर्स्टली एक तरफ तो हम अपनी टेक एंड अपनी मैन पावर में बहुत सिक्योर हैं. सेकेंडली वी हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अलायंसेस एज मच एज काफ़ी नेसेयर्स हैं अभी करंटली इंडिया में और इंडिया के बाहर हु कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक टू लेके हवा बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि इंडिया अकेला पड़ गया है.
Alliance चली गई हैं, हमारे allies हमें छोड़ के जा रहे हैं.
Exactly. And one of the biggest things that if you have followed the news recently आपने नोटिस करा होगा शायद, पीट हेग्सेथ एंड राजनाथ जी ने अभी कोलालंपुर में they have signed more like renewed the 10-year defense pact and वो in itself एक बहुत बड़ा साइन है कि in spite of the trade war as everyone was saying and all of that going on, US understands the importance of being allied with India and India का obviously फायदा है US के साथ एक strategic alliance बनाए रखने में, but no, we're not losing allies.
And it's not just the US. China wants to still be friends with us, but China, everybody knows at this point, is kind of a सांप.
हाँ वो backstabber है थोड़ा.
हाँ, but इस मामले में India is also being very strategic and very smart. जहाँ पे यूज हो सकते हैं वहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है वहाँ पे ध्यान भी रख रहे हैं.
Yeah, we're not going blind trust. That's not what we're doing. We're actually being very
Careful.
we're being very curt in our dealings on an international front, which is necessary. We are a strong nation, and now we're actually putting that
Now
foot
we're
forward.
projecting power outside.
Exactly.
We are allied with Australia. We're allied with UK.
Yeah, अभी recently UK से भी bought some missiles.
Yeah. And we have re-established our Afghanistani embassy. So, friends all around. बस बिल्कुल पास वाले जो हैं वो थोड़े से
But they've always been that way. That's something I will say.
एंड वो भी जैसे जैसे थोड़े उठते हैं थोड़ा
In fact,
कुछ
अभी
तैयार होते हैं हम वापस बिठा देते हैं.
in fact अभी नेपाल में the current government is more pro-India compared to the previous one.
Total risk factor for India is exactly the same as it was last year or the year before.
Or 10 years before that, or whenever.
We have few hostile nations around us, but
Yeah.
in fact it's less.
Yes, we do have better strategic partnerships even with countries like China, जहाँ पे they understand, yes, they have hostilities with us, पर trade deals हैं बहुत सारे, उनको भी फायदे, mutual exchange of benefits है यहाँ पे.
We're more aware and ready for anything. So risk factor for India comes down to less than it has ever been before.
In the least worst case scenario, same as it has been before. ये जो World War III की पूरी situation create कर रहे हैं, everyone in the news media,
Fear mongering है.
exactly, international scale पे all the outlets are going on about World War III.
कुछ national scale पे भी हैं हमारे.
वो obviously
पर
बहती
वो-
गंगा में सब हाथ धोते हैं.
हाँ, सबको पैसा चाहिए.
तो World War III is not a looming threat in the least in the near future. देखो कभी फ्यूचर में हो जाए, हम कोई भविष्यवाणी तो कर नहीं रहे हैं.
I mean, we're not betting, but we are kind of betting on this.
Yeah, in a way.
There is a side of ये 5D chess का fifth dimension जो है, जहाँ पे इंडिया की थोड़ी सी lacking दिखी.
Especially during Operation Sindoor.
Information warfare, narrative control. हालांकि हमारा narrative control बहुत अच्छा था, but delayed था.
थोड़ा सा स्लिप अप होते ही on the international scale, most media outlets ran with a lot of false and fake news जो पाकिस्तान ने पेडल करा.
And narrative control में यही होता है. If you are too late, then you're not on the table.
Early bird catches the, I guess, 12 a.m. news article.
And plus, Pakistan invested heavily, and a few hostile nations invested heavily in narrative against India.
And ये specifically can be seen also अभी there has been a constant rise of anti-India sentiment all over the globe. बड़ी बड़े देशों में भी हो रहा है और जगहों पे भी हो रहा है. There is a lot of racism, काफी hate.
I think अब हम सभी ने देखा है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ रहा है, especially if you have checked out Twitter.
Twitter has become the hotbed of toxicity.
It was always, come on, Twitter was always the.
Yeah, but now they have realized, like we covered in the previous video, हमारा BBC का ही same सब लोग I guess pathway follow कर रहे हैं. They realize India is the most populated. यहाँ पे hate based news will actually generate clicks generate होंगे, पैसा मिलेगा, and that is the route everyone is following. So yes, anti-India and specifically also a lot more of anti-Hindu sentiment is being peddled online specifically, but that is mostly based around पैसा.
वो एंटी हिंदू सेंटिमेंट वगैरह एसेंशियली, नाउ वी कैन नॉट प्रूव दिस एंड इट्स जस्ट हिंट्स एंड अ गट फीलिंग दैट इट्स कुछ स्टेट से स्टेट फंडेड है, बट मोस्टली हेट अगेंस्ट इंडियंस इज बेस्ड ऑन जेलसी.
जब हमने मंगलयान लॉन्च करा तब जो नासा का उससे पहले एक उन्होंने ग्राफिक जो छापा हुआ था, जो वो उनका पलटाव हुआ है, दैट रियली अर्क्ड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. सी, आई एम नॉट सेइंग racists don't exist.
Oh, definitely they do.
They definitely do, and it really harshes people's mellow जब India does better, जब India develop होता है, India is doing better economically, हम टेक्नोलॉजिकली डेवलप कर रहे हैं.
स्पेशली कुछ लोगों को जिनको ये है कि एक इंटरनल सुपीरियोरिटी जिन लोगों को फील होती है बेस्ड ऑन देयर स्किन कलर,
and partially people who are counting on India to not do good on an international front, या अपनी internal misogyny and उस racist factor को satisfy करने के लिए they would prefer India does not do good.
A similar thing can be seen regarding the Jews. Israel Jews के regarding भी same चीज है, and it's mostly based on jealousy and hate.
Yeah, by the way, on which note I saw a very funny conspiracy theory कि यादव्स ही यहूदी हैं.
Coming back to the hate against Indians, एक और चीज, if you have noticed, कहीं भी इंडियंस को हिट मिलती है, half the time it's not even Indians, बस same skin color है. So brown सारे इंडियन लग रहे हैं. क्यों? Because, well,
They
that's
don't-
the one country they can point to. It's the most prominent one. It's the most successful one. It's the one that they're most jealous of.
The one that actually broke out of the colonial chains and did something good with themselves.
हाँ.
Of the, especially the brown countries as could be dubbed. पर वही है, उनका अपना पर्सनल इंटरनल है जो निकलता है, पर ऑनलाइन जितना रेज है इज स्टिल
On ground नहीं है वो.
हाँ, वो रियल लाइफ में ऑब्वियसली इंस्टांसेस होते हैं, रेसिस्ट पीपल एग्जिस्ट, एंड काफ़ी वेज में अलेजेडली इज बीइंग फंडेड एज वेल बाय अ लॉट ऑफ वॉलेटाइल स्टेट्स. पर ऑनलाइन जहाँ है ट्विटर एंड द लाइक्स ऑफ इट इज मोस्टली बेस्ड ऑफ क्लिक बेटिंग, हेट मंगरिंग एंड फॉर्मेंटिंग दिस फीलिंग ऑफ सुप्रेमेसी और जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डिग्रेड द अदर पार्टी.
Or Indian inferiority, I guess. पर we're proving them wrong.
एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज, इस पूरी सिचुएशन में जब कोई इंसान बढ़ता है या कोई देश बढ़ता है तो नेसेयर्स तो आते ही हैं, उनको कोसने वाले तो आते हैं, बिकॉज पीपल आर जेलस. इफ आप पर्सनल लेवल पे भी करो या एज अ कंट्री इफ यू आर डूइंग बेटर, people who hate you, people who are jealous of you will constantly say negative stuff. The best thing to do is keep doing better, so
Silently.
that also keep doing better so that they feel worse.
And India has been growing and moving forward silently.
We don't make a big humdrum. For example, Trump says a lot of stuff, right or wrong, but that doesn't mean our prime minister gets down into the mud with him and हर स्टेटमेंट को टैकल करने के लिए वो नहीं उतरते हैं.
In fact, constantly because of Trump saying something, Trump की credibility has been going down.
What's the saying? Let your success make the noise.
हाँ.
That's what we're doing. We're not getting into every single statement trying to counter a he said she said situation. We're not trying to do that. All
India is
we're
kind of
doing-
living the Instagram mottos.
Yeah. I think there's a mood board out there somewhere in the PMO.
So all in all, far as we see, at least from our perspective, जो भी इंडिया कर रहा है is working for us. It's working for India. All we want is keep doing that and maybe just focus a little bit more on the information warfare thing. Narrative control.
And that does not mean having weird influencers
Yes. Please
peddle
stop.
the talking points in a very rehearsed fashion. Don't do that.
चैन से जागना है तो सो जाओ.
इंडिया फिलहाल इज एब्सोल्युटली फोकस्ड ऑन मेक इन इंडिया. हम बेसिकली ट्राई कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर वेरी सक्सेसफुली वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स कि मोस्ट ऑफ आवर मिलिट्री डेवलपमेंट्स आर मोस्टली इन हाउस.
And we're also promoting our private partners.
Yes, which is one of the best moves. Currently, there are so many what you could dub our military industrial complex.
And they are losing their hold on power, thankfully, because now हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हमारे जो इंडिजिनस डेवलपर्स हैं, जो प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स हैं, उनको मौका मिले, so that actual new innovation can take place in Indian defense, and we all can see the results.
And we're currently doing very well अपना indigenous developments में. We are doing very well with the morale of our military members, जो हमारा actual on ground force है, या in air force है, या okay, you get the gist. But our people in the military are satisfied and happy. They realize कि they have true backing, and that shows in the morale of our military and in the swift and precise execution of all the operations and exercises that we have been carrying out.
Whatever India is doing, it's working. We just need to keep doing it. ये वाला it was just a positive news, right? It was just
Yeah,
a yay India,
Yeah,
and everybody's crying.
and ye satellite, and boo all the rest of the people who are jealous of us, I guess.
And it's a good thing that it's being put out there.
Yes, that's what I
एक
mean.
कॉन्फिडेंस होता है ना पब्लिक में, एक कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप करा जाए.
Exactly. The civilians also have so much increased faith in the armed forces.
Whenever you read these headlines, World War III, Cold War, this and that,
Or you start wondering what India's position will be if there's ever a World War III.
just chill out. Focus on your life, focus on work. We have a whole lot more to build and focus on than ये Western media क्या सोचता है.
Yeah, because they are the naysayers that we have to counter, and
या फिर इंडिया के अंदर का Western media क्या सोचता है.
so people are gonna say stuff, but the best thing to do is focus on our development and focus on our growth, be it on the military front or on the financial and economic side of our country. No one is saying India is doing perfectly. Obviously, काफी चीजें हैं that we still have to work on.
We're still developing.
But we're on that path now, and
Right.
that's a good thing. Currently, India is doing very well on a global stance. We have very good alliances, and internally, अपने technological and other factors में we are developing constantly and going further and further.
If you agree with us, if you disagree with us, or if you just want to say hi, do make sure to make use of the comment section. Do like, share, and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.